You're not only dealing with a potential tornado here, you're also dealing with torrential downpours with the humidity that's been in place. And on Monday, we are monitoring already for possible strong to severe storms. Between now and then, obviously, this could change a little bit. We're going to keep our eyes on this very, very closely. But we could be looking at damaging wind gusts and heavy downpours Monday afternoon and Monday evening. Not washout weather, again, scattered. So it's in the forecast, but not everyone is going to see these showers and storms. Tomorrow's high, 88, and Father's Day high of 84. We do have 3 flash flood warnings ongoing, one for Prince Edward County, also Lunenburg County tonight, portions of Dinwiddie, Prince George, and Sussex County. And that is pumping in western Atlantic and also Gulf moisture into the state of Virginia and all the way down to the Sunshine State, by the way. We'll be dealing with a lot of chilly rain, and a lot of chilly rain in particular for North Carolina during this event. So from Buckingham County, so Dillwyn, all the way up to Ashland and also Louisa and the Northern Neck area, about 6 inches potentially possible when it's all said and done by Monday. We're going to see light to moderate snow potentially for hours, and this is going to be accumulating particularly for the northern half of the state. Essentially Interstate 64 up to the north, that is going to be the jackpot area as I just showed you a couple of moments ago. Our next weather system is back towards the Ohio River Valley, and that's going to be heading in our direction over the course of the weekend. So this is how today plays out. Mixture of sunshine and clouds, quickly up to 80 degrees by lunchtime. Mid to upper 80s this afternoon, again with some isolated late day storms from 4 p.m. through 10 p.m. Going to get up to around 93, feeling like around 100 this afternoon, so plenty of heat and humidity to fuel these storms. Got to watch out for locally heavy downpours and damaging winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. While events like the tornado outbreak from Hurricane Ivan are uncommon, you could rely on the Storm Tracker 8 weather team to keep you safe and informed ahead of the storm. For 8 News, I'm Tyler Hall.
Summertime, and they nailed it. So Tyler, if you had a walkout song for the summer, what would it be?
I mean, those are all good. We had a brief fun discussion about this earlier. I would say My House from Flo Rida.
That's a classic, like what, early 2010,
Probably.
right?
Yeah.
That's like our era of like pop music though. I love it.
Forecast. Now, your Storm Tracker 8 weather.
All right, 6:17 now on this Friday. We know of a pretty mild start, but changes are coming.
Yeah, absolutely, Delaney. So mid-60s for many of you as you're waking up with us on this Friday morning with a lot of clouds and some light rain showers pushing on through. So did want to highlight what's going on right now and then talk about what's happening later on for us. So 66 in Ashland along with Richmond, 65 in Petersburg, 65 in Crewe, and 65 in Farmville. There is humidity in place, and that's going to fuel that locally heavy downpour threat. So for the day ahead, we are going to see a break from the showers that we're seeing right now and some partial sunshine in the middle of the day. And then again, we're going to be watching what's happening this afternoon and this evening very closely. Highs around 80, plenty of humidity in place. And again, we're going to be dealing with a line of showers and storms west of Richmond, 3-4 o'clock. Again, that could have some embedded warnings with them pushing on through Metro Richmond between 4 and 6 o'clock. And again, we're primarily concerned about damaging wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour and also heavy downpours, all right? Looks like multiple waves of showers and storms. The second one comes in between 7 and 9 o'clock, and then shortly after 9 o'clock, it winds down. And tonight into our Saturday morning, it gets a whole lot better, so that is great news. And again, rainfall accumulations aren't expected to be a whole lot, so that doesn't scream to us big time flooding with this system. But again, heavy downpours leading to ponding on roadways and also damaging wind gusts of 60 plus miles per hour obviously would prompt severe thunderstorm warnings, so please take those seriously later on this afternoon and evening. Also an isolated tornado or two can't entirely be ruled out, along with small hail and lightning. So lots to unpack with this forecast. Again, strong to severe storms in the forecast from 3 p.m. through 9 p.m. And aside from that, a warm and humid day, highs around 80. Again, after 9 o'clock, it gets a whole lot better tonight into our Saturday morning. Then another round of scattered showers and storms that shouldn't be as impactful as the storms later on today could be. For our Saturday, highs in the upper 70s. Then on our Sunday, looking like a really nice day with a lot less humidity, by the way, and highs in the middle 70s with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Monday looks like a great day as well. Then we turn up the heat and humidity next week. Several days of near 90, if not 90 degrees, and feeling a little bit warmer than that when you tack on the heat index or the feels like factor with the humidity. Leading to some pop-up showers and storms next Thursday, next Friday. So the first full week of June is going to get a whole lot hotter. But again, the main focus is watch out for those damaging wind gusts and those heavy downpours from 3 p.m. through 9 p.m. later on today. Please stay safe out there, everyone.